Hi guys and welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi. Let's make a jam today. A very easy peasy tropical pineapple jam which is hot and sweet. So come along.
This is yummylicious. You can serve it with bread. You can use it as a sandwich stuffing for maybe banana sandwiches or something like that. You can serve it with parathas. For the hot and sweet pineapple, what we need is of course a pineapple. So this is a pineapple which I have already cut and got it from the fruit vendor, and we'll see other ingredients needed for the recipe. I have finely chopped this pineapple. Then this is lemon juice that I have taken, and this is the sugar. Sugar we will add depends on how sour or sweet is the pineapple. The dry spices required are red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, some salt. I have taken this black salt, pink salt, whatever you call it, just to give a flavorful taste. This is cumin seed powder. This is a piece of cinnamon, and this is 1 clove. First I will add all the pineapple into my pot which I have kept for heating. I have already kept this pan for heating. You see it is on a slow flame, and in goes all the pineapple. I have taken one big bowl of sugar. I will add at least 3/4 of it, and let's see how we proceed and how is the taste of the pineapple. As you see, the pineapple has started to change the color. It will take a while to cook. It has to be completely cooked. You can crush in the pineapple into a mixie, but I definitely like the texture of the pineapple pieces, and that is the reason I have kept some diced pineapple here. So let us cover it. I think we should wait for about 6 to 7 minutes at least, and I'll put the flame at the lowest. It is about 3 minutes that the pineapple is boiling in the sugar syrup. Let us see what is the state. I don't think it is yet cooked. No, it's going to take some time. What I do meanwhile is at this point, this cinnamon stick and the clove, that is what goes in. And also along with this salt, the entire salt, I will just put it inside. Clove and cinnamon I have added at this point so that the aromas are very nicely released into the goodness of the pineapple. And then I will cover it again and let us wait for another 6 to 7 minutes because it seems it's going to take some time. It is 7 minutes done. Let me check on the pineapple how is the situation. It is still going to take some time, but at this point what I will do, the left out sugar which was there, I will just add it. I think it is appropriate for the flavor of the pineapple that I have got, but you need to pay attention how sweet or how sour is your pineapple, and depends on that will be the percentage of sugar that you add. So I will close this and let it be for another 5 minutes here. It is a good 25 minutes now since the pineapple has been cooking and sizzling in the juices of sugar, the goodness of clove and cinnamon. Also we have added salt. Now what I will do is, let me just check if I can cut off this piece. Yes, it is a little hard, but it can be cut off. It is kind of done. Yes, this is enough for the jam consistency that we are looking for. It is a hot and sour pineapple jam. So at this point I will add the lemon juice. This is juice of 1 lemon. So in goes the juice of 1 lemon, and the spice powders that we have taken. The very simple, very humble cumin powder and the Kashmiri red chili powder. You can vary the proportions as per your taste. I think this will be good enough to go. Let us have a tangy, sweet and sour pineapple. Let me mix this thoroughly. This seems to be done now. What I will do is I will cover it and I will give a standing time for about 10 minutes. So switch off the flame and cover this. Let us have a standing time of 10 minutes. This pineapple goodness has been standing from 10 minutes, and now what I will do is I will just take it out. I will just serve it. It is still pretty hot, so allow it to cool completely. It will take a long time to cool, but I'll just pull it out as of now. Hot and sour pineapple is ready, and 1 pineapple gives me about a bowl of the hot and sweet pineapple. There are endless choices to serve this. So this is my take on a pineapple hot and sweet jam jelly, whatever you call it. It is homemade. It is much more healthy than the store-bought versions. Allow this to cool down completely and you can store it in your refrigerator in a sterilized glass container for about 2 to 3 months. But this is just one bowl and I think we will be finishing it off in a week's time. So I'm not putting it out in a glass storage container. I just keep it like this and relish it with whatever I cook every day.
I hope you have liked my take on the pineapple jam. Do try this recipe and comment to me in the comment section below. Please consider to subscribe to my channel, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Until I see you next time, bye for now.